Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off age restriction on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the Twitter app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon, which you can see on the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Support on the menu. Go to the option that says Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, choose Privacy and Safety. Click on Content You See. Then turn on the display media that may contain sensitive content. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.